Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to the SenSource YouTube channel. At SenSource, we love helping businesses harness the power of their data, and that includes family entertainment centers, also known as FECs. Today we're going to take a look at how people counting data can help transform the operations at trampoline parks, arcades, bowling alleys, and other family entertainment centers. Over 140 amusement facilities like Craig's Cruisers, Celebration Station, and the Fun Factory of Hawaii trust SenSource to help them better understand how their spaces are being used and ultimately to improve the guest experience. Let's explore 3 powerful ways people counting sensors are used by FECs to operate more efficiently and effectively. First up, tracking facility usage. Sensors mounted overhead at the entrance help to understand how many people enter and exit a space or a building throughout the day. We even offer outdoor rated sensors for counting at thresholds to exterior areas, such as the queue for a go-kart track. This data helps FEC operators make informed decisions around peak and non-peak times to help optimize staffing and scheduling events. Next, let's talk about interior analytics. By placing sensors over specific zones inside your building, such as a restaurant, an arcade, or a playground, you have a better understanding of where guests are spending their time. This insight helps FEC operators adjust layouts, add new attractions, or even reallocate space based on what guests are actually using. And finally, we have real-time occupancy monitoring. By placing sensors over every entrance, you'll know how many people are in a given space or within your building at any time of the day. This info can even be displayed on public screens so guests know if an area is getting too full. You can easily abide by capacity regulations and create historical occupancy reports. So whether you're improving FEC operations or simply creating a better guest experience, people counting technology is a smart move. If you'd like to learn more about how SenSource can help your family entertainment center, we'd love to chat. Head on over to our website at sensourceinc.com and fill out the contact form. And please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks from SenSource. Thanks for watching.